Okay, this video demonstrates another good use of saving of filters. So I've got a filter in my general ledger called document search. So if we just go back to the general ledger tab and go to transactions, we'll see that we've got this column called document, and what it is the invoice number if it was an invoice posted, or it's the PO number if it was a PO posted, or it's the employee number and things like that. So all those document numbers go in there. So if I go to directly to document search, it puts me onto the transactions tab. I've already got a preset here called document contains. So you don't even need to have the whole number. So you've got leading zeros on your invoice numbers or your PO numbers. You don't need them. So this is especially useful for things like searching for each of the receivings against a PO. So 700059 will bring up each posting. So I've got several postings against this purchase order, and you can see each one of these times I received on it. So if I'm auditing a PO for all the different receipts from the vendor, this is a very easy way to find it. So another thing we can do, let's just actually create a brand new filter. So I'll turn filters on. We'll change document to entity. An entity is the customer or the vendor or whoever we received that from. So that's the column called entity. So now I'm going to say entity contains, and I'll just save this, save preset, and call it entity search. And we'll add it on also to our column list. So we'll go add to module list. So now it shows up down here. So I can go from document search to entity search. And if it's an entity, I can search for, say, my vendor FIDEBU, and then I get all my transactions that were made to that particular entity. So that's a vendor, but I can also, of course, put in a customer. So JACK225 brings up all transactions posted as a GL for that particular customer. So as you can see, by creating yourself some filters and combining filters and searches, you can save yourself a lot of times of finding data without having to print a mess of paper.